So that moves, I'll be able to tick my tasks off now. So that moves me into email filters. So email filters is something that I probably didn't use much in the past, but I definitely have now, and I wish I had it in the past. So an example of where I would have used it in the past, as soon as I woke up in the morning, I'd have 18 to 20 emails already sitting in my inbox. Most of these were automated internal emails coming from reporting functions with Excel files attached to them. It wasn't something that I'd necessarily go to first thing in the morning, but I used to have a routine where I'd go and check those. So the filtering function can be really powerful if you want to auto tag or auto allocate things or miss your inbox. I think that was really something that I could have used massively in my last role. I've actually had to talk to a few of my existing team members, and I've shown them that function because I know that that still is the case now, and it's really made it much easier to clear the noise out of your inbox. So filters are really, really simple to apply. If you're in an email, the easiest way I find to navigate the filter system is to find an email that you want to filter or a type of email that you want to filter and work directly out of the filtering section within the email. I find that the easiest, most simple way to filter particular types of messages. Once you're in this function, it'll highlight whether it's from, to, the subject, whether it's got an attachment or not. We go through to create filter. So in my case, in my example, what I would have done is I would have actually skipped my inbox automatically, and I would have tagged it with a label. So my label would have been reporting. So therefore it automatically labels it and automatically skips my inbox. So at any stage, if I want to look at my reporting, I can click.
Oh, have you lost sound too, Mike, for Adam?
Yeah, I did. I just lost sound for him for some reason.
Adam, did you just mute yourself or something?
I think someone muted me.
Oh, what? It wasn't me, just saying. Your tips were terrible. I had to mute you and stop this chaos. No, I'm kidding.
Yeah, so basically, just from filter functions, really go through it, think about your own context, think about emails that you're getting a lot coming in that maybe you could check up on at a certain time rather than having to actually action them within your inbox. Really intuitive system. It's not that hard. You just need to know where to go to do it and really think about the context of your inbox and the communications you're getting to do so. So that's the filter function. That really helps to clear out the noise to make sure that whatever is in your inbox is, those important actionable emails, not so much your generic day-to-day automated emails coming in.